different from what you have read to us. Mr. Speaker, at that point alone, the public will not really have confidence in what we are doing.
What is important is the record that comes to this House. And the record that has arrived in this House is what I have read to you. Remember that nobody will become minister, one, until and unless the President has written to Parliament, two, until Parliament has sat in committee and vetted, and three, until the whole House has voted on the report.
Ni mogaruruku adendwale ayukitie kuhitukira nenda-ini ciake cia muingi agitariria wihariria na weheani wake ari gutungata ministry-ini ya maria maturigiceirie. Uhiuria musharica waria anini bunge-ini ya bururi Junet Mohamed uria ningi ni mumemba kamiti-ini ya uthurimi bunge-ini ya bururi ni ahitite gukang'ethanira na maminista aria mamuritwo hatari kumacairira akihinyiriria akenya ni anogu ni utongoria muru.
If you know you don't qualify, please leave early before you come to this House. This time we will put you in front of Kenyans bare, Mr. Speaker. Bare. Naked bare, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Kenyans, I am prepared for the vetting committee to kutana na hiyo watu mundu kumundu.
Ona gukiri uguo kwina uhotekeku wa president gutafania mogaruruku makiria ndudu-ini ya minister aria amurite thutha wa Wetangula kwaga guthoma ritwa ria uria wamuritwo ta munene wa watho na uria hau kabere urari minister wa wonjoria Rebecca Miano. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.
Haya tugicokerera riboti iria tugukwiritheirie njatukano kiama-ini kia ODM iguru ria kana ngwataniro ya Azimio ni guthondeka thirikari ya urumwe wa bururi na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni ciumiritie thutha wa mwandiki munene wa kiama kiu Edwin Sifuna kuga ODM ndikuingira thirikari-ini gukwa bunge ya ODM makiregana nake maya mokite riri a bunge ya kiama kia Wiper matetirithitie ati ngwataniro ya Azimio ndikunyita itemi kuba thirikari ya President William Ruto guku magitugiria itua ria Raila Odinga ria kwiyeheria kunyitanira na thirikari.
Mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto atanyitwo kwanira gicunje kia muthia